Here are all 12 of the Fender Champion 20 tones back to back. First, I'm going to do some open chords and bar chords so you can hear that. And then second, I'm going to go back through and do all the tones with some solos, some individual notes, so you can hear chords and individual notes. Now, I'm not going to change any other knob. I'm not going to change the gain, the volume, the EQ. I'm not going to change any settings on my guitar. By the way, I'm going to be using the bridge pickup. The only thing I will change is the voice knob. And here's my goal. One, if you don't own this amp, I want you to hear the wide range of tones that it can do, because you might want to buy it. I think it's a great little practice amp. I have no endorsement deal with Fender. I just think it's a great amp. I bought this amp with my own money, and you might really want it too. But here's the second goal. If you already have this amp, I want you to hear how powerful the voice knob is and how much it affects the tones. Especially early on, you're gonna hear a massive difference in one particular area, and I'm gonna discuss that right at the end. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna show you what you can do about that. So here we go. Now here's the solo tones. So were you shocked at how much the voice knob affects the volume and the gain and the EQ? That's why when you're dealing with this amp and you're dialing in a tone, I recommend you start with the voice knob first. Actually, I developed the Fender Champion 20 tone course to help you dial in tones. So if you're having trouble dialing in a good tone on this amp, I recommend the Fender Champion 20 tone course, where I will take you through every knob. I will show you how to use it and in what order to use it, and I will leave you with tones from like country, clean, rock, metal, and some specific tones like a Metallica kind of tone, Comfortably Numb kind of tone, a Van Halen kind of eruption tone. So down in the description section below, if you're interested in the Fender Champion 20 tone course, there's a link that says buy now. You click there, it'll take you to the landing page, and you can actually go through and preview part of the course. You can actually watch it and see what you think about it. And if it's worth your time and your money. The course, I guess, is about 45 minutes long, and it costs about $15 depending on where you live. There's tax added. I highly recommend it. It's a good resource. Check that out. Also, if you don't own this amp and you want to get it, I highly recommend it. I don't have any deal with Fender. I bought this amp with my own money. Down in the description section below where it says buy now, you can buy this. It'll take you to Amazon. I am an Amazon affiliate at no extra charge to you. If you buy it there, I get a small commission. It's just one way I support this channel, and I'd greatly appreciate it. I also have some more videos for you. If you want to see a little promo for the Fender Champion 20 tone course, it's a really great tone course. You can see it right there. And if you want to learn more about the effects on this amp, just click right there. And as always, click right there to subscribe and hit the bell, because when you hit the bell, you get notifications when I come out with more content like this. As always, thank you for your time. God bless. Don't forget how much God loves you, and you have a great day. Bye.